Honestly, I say it's a pretty easy run. Not gonna lie. Would you look at that? I'm not in the rocket. It's just fucking yeah. Big. Look at the fucking kills. Behemoth Biter 25,000 kills. Big Biter 48,000. Big Spitter 59,000. Behemoth Biter fucking 20,000. Medium Spit fucking Jesus Christ. How many fucking diggers did I kill? Jesus. Huge Rock 26. Fucking Huge Rock 26. My kills. This shows kills. I've also killed a big Sandy Rock. I've also killed some gun turrets. I've killed some accumulators. Killed some roboports. What's up there? Killed 22,000 trees. Fucking hell. I've killed 16,000 no, 1,600 robots. 700, almost 1,000 walls. Oh, fucking hell. It's taken such a long time to get that shit fucking done, man. Christ. Ugh. Didn't even take that long. Now, here's me. Factory. So much. Factory. And here's the slaughter box. Literally everything comes here. So I've made it so that like every single island with biters has this one path to this one place where they just get fucking mowed down by flamethrowers and laser turrets. As you can see, my pollution cloud reaches them, so it does just fine. Obviously, I'm gonna make another rocket. Another rocket's been made. Amazing! Yay! Look. Another one. Cool. And then I get space science when I make satellite. So if I put satellite in rocket, then space science gets made, and then then I research things. I research more fucking things like better jetpack and generally just better stuff. Well, this makes 0 changes except like 10% more mining, a little bit more speed. 70% more laser damage. So that'd be quite nice to be fair. Yeah, it's really enthusiastic. I'm looking forward for the 50% rocket damage. Oh my god, I actually want to fucking end my life. Jesus Christ, look what I can do. Amazing, absolutely amazing. That's fucking amazing. Now I'm just gonna fucking just fix this. Oof. Okay, yeah, fuck you all. Fucking did it finally. My dick is so fucking hard. I'm gonna have a wank now.